Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Doubt Hunt 9. Today's question is, which of the following statement is not correct? Option 1, water. Option 2, to convert a temperature on the Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, subtract 273 from the given temperature. Option 3, to convert a temperature on the Celsius scale to Kelvin scale, add 273 from the given temperature. Option 4, vaporization of liquid causes cooling. The correct answer is option 4 because the statement vaporization of the liquid causes cooling is not correct. Now, why density of ice is less than water? The water molecules consist of positively charged hydrogen atoms and negatively charged oxygen atoms. Water molecules as a whole has 10 protons and 10 electrons. In water molecules, the oxygen atoms and hydrogen atoms share the electron in covalent bonds, but sharing is not equal. In covalent band between oxygen and hydrogen, oxygen atom attracts electron bit more strongly than hydrogen atoms. The unequal sharing of the electron gives the water molecule a slight negative charge near its oxygen atom and slight positive charge near its hydrogen atom. So, when a neutral molecule have a positive area at one end and a negative area at the another, it is a polar molecule. When molecules attract one another based on the attraction between the positive end of one water molecule and negative end of another. Now see the example of water balloon. Water molecules are so attracted to each other that even balloon has been popped, the water molecules stay together, keeping the shape of the balloon. Now, when water cools, the hydrogen bonds adjust to hold the negatively charged oxygen atoms apart, which prevent the ice from becoming any denser. As water freezes, the attraction the water molecules have for one another overcome their motion and hold them in fixed position. Water molecules freeze in a hexagonal pattern and the molecules are further apart as they were as a liquid. Water is unusual because its molecules move apart when it freezes. However, the molecules of the other substance move closer together when they freeze. When water gets converted into ice, its volume increases. So, for water, the density actually decreases along with decrease in temperature, causing ice to be less dense than water. Now, see in case of lake, once the water at the surface of the lake starts freezing, it starts floating on the water of the lake. So, the temperature of the water below the ice bed is 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the creatures in the lake and fish able to survive even after the surface of the body of water they live in has frozen. So now for another option, to convert a temperature on the Kelvin scale to Celsius scale, subtract 273 from the given temperature. So temperature in Celsius equal to temperature in Kelvin minus 273. So it is a correct option. Option 3, to convert a temperature on the Celsius scale to Kelvin scale, add 273 from the given temperature. So temperature in Kelvin equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273. So what is vaporization? Vaporization is defined as a transitional phase of compound or an element at the boiling temperature. Now in case of water, as the energy is added, the motion of water molecule increases and begins to overcome the attraction they have for one another. If enough energy is added, the ice melt to liquid water and the water evaporate to water vapor. As energy is removed, the motion of molecule decreases and the attraction begins to overcome the motion of molecules. If enough energy is removed, the water vapor condenses to liquid water and water freezes to ice. It vaporization changes the state of matter from solid or liquid to gas. It is generally happening at fast space. During vaporization process, all of the water turns into gas. During the vaporization, molecule may come from below the surface of the liquid. As in vaporization, we are adding energy externally to the liquid or solid, so it is not causing the cooling of the matter. Now for the state of matter, as energy is added, motion of molecules increases and begins to overcome the attraction that molecules have for one another. If enough energy is added, the solid melts to liquid and liquid evaporates to gas. As energy is removed, the motion of the molecules decreases and the attraction begins to overcome the motion of the molecules. If enough energy is removed, the gas condenses to liquid and liquid freezes to solid. It must be noted that these changes in the state of matter from one to another are happening without a change in the chemical composition. Now, evaporation. Evaporation is nothing but a special kind of vaporization and mostly occurring at the temperature below the boiling point. In vaporization, liquid state of the matter is directly get converted into gas. It is a slower process. Only top level of the water get converted into vapor. Molecules vaporizes from the surface of the liquid only. If the surface of liquid is more, the rate of evaporation is also more. During the evaporation, the matter or liquid takes the energy from the surrounding. Therefore, the temperature below the surface will be lesser than the temperature at the surface. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.